Hey, press on. One of the people here, stumbling forth, ambling about. We got two Cedar Park gang members here. They have this vehicle surrounded on both sides. Now this vehicle might be a motor vehicle. It looks like he could be using the road for profit or personal gain here. So we have Cedar Park Police, vehicle number 417. Now I don't know if these are road workers. The guy's truck door is open. I'm just going right up. Got car number 376. So the guy's shirt says Land Art America. I don't know. Oh, his license plate actually is not displayed on the back. That could be the problem, but I don't know for sure. Of course, it looks like they're treating him with kid gloves because he might be engaged in commercial activity, which ironically are the ones that they have jurisdiction over. Unfortunately, usually most of their attention goes towards extorting from the people because they don't know their rights. But people engaged in commercial activity are more likely to fight it, get lawyers, because their license is a necessity for their job. Whereas the people just take it and bend over, thinking that traffic codes apply to them, transportation codes, but they don't, of course. You know, you can see he's got his hand, oh, he had his hand on his gun, of course, or his taser. They're never, their hands are never too far away from that. You know, I mean, I'm pretty close actually, and they haven't said anything to me, but not yet at least. But now this guy's getting out of his car, so I don't know. See if I can see his name. Adams 1247. He's in car 376. That shows how close I am if I can read his name tag and his badge number from a distance. Oh, he's got a translator. I don't think he speaks English, which isn't a crime in this country. The last time I checked. Oh, look at this. He's doing a search of some sort. I wonder if he got permission to do that. Well, he fiddled around with something. Hopefully the camera was able to see it. I was holding it up. Oh, we got a thumbs up. Did you get a ticket? Did you get a ticket? Hola, señor. Hola. Did you get a ticket? El tiquito? A ticket? No comprende inglés?
No.
All right. Hasta luego, amigo. Officer, I appreciate your professionalism. Since he doesn't speak English, can I just ask you what he got a ticket for?
Well, that's his.
I mean, but you know, right? No, it's public information.
Yeah,
I mean, you could say like,
the process of getting it.
I mean, it's a simple
could ask
thing.
him.
I did, but he doesn't speak English. Like,
I can't just give you that information because that's.
I mean,
information.
how about we just do one question? Did it have to do with his license plate?
I could tell you go to the.
I mean, I know how to do it. I've already been there today.
Okay.
Yeah, I've already been there today. I know the open records, but I mean, I also know that you could just give me a straight answer. What's your name in ID?
Officer Comacho.
1276?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, you have a good day.
You too. Thank you. All right, so we have more subterfuge and gang tactics employed in this town, but press on, assemble about, amble around, and legion up. Like, comment, subscribe, spread the word. Yeah. Right?
Beatmaster by the name of Bates, smoking more than all 50 states combined. Yeah, right, I gotta stay on the grind. I got no money, so my weed's on my mind. I hit the club, but you know I can't dance. 7 and 7 in my cutoff chance. Tie that shirt in my long ass hair. What part of how I look